See any of this?
Yeah, it's in here. I'm holding this with just look.
There's some dirt right here. In here. That. I'm right in the middle of our backyard. This is just the beginning. It's not complete yet, so today is a sunny day here in Hanford, so we're gonna go and plant our trees. My boy's already over there. She started already. So this is a view from our backyard. What kind of tree is this?
It's in the bag.
White nectar, is that right? White nectar? Yeah, white nectar, okay. So thank you to Zilo Ching there. They gave us these trees. This one's grapes. And we got more over here. So this is our house. My back is to the fence. Should dig all these weeds out. So we got these all set up 10 by 6. So we're gonna use this Miracle Grow here to help our tree grow. Start digging.
Singapore, amateur.
You gotta dig this. Wish I had shoes on. Oh, there we go. Make a little bit of ground. Haven't done this in years.
Years? What do you mean years? This is the first time you're doing it.
It's being rain a lot.
You know what we have to do today?
What?
It's gonna rain for the next 3-4 days.
That's good. So I was digging and I found this thing here. It's a nail with something stuck on it. It's the builders left us gift. Ooh, awesome. Digging up a hole ain't easy. I have no gimbal, so it's gonna have to do. Okay, this will be the first one to go in. Which one is it again, Papa? The grape?
No, this is not grape. I think this one, I think that's avocado and that's white peach.
Okay, put in. So the first tree to go in is this one. See any of this?
Yeah, it's in here. I'm holding this with just look.
There's some dirt right here. Here. That. This.
Yeah. Don't cover this. This is a plant. This is white nectarine.
White nectarine? Okay, let me get a close up.
This might be guava.
Guava? Alright. What is it?
White peach.
White peach? Alright. Okay, go. What is it?
Grapes.
Grapes. Cool. Okay, which one is this?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate? Okay. Pomegranate. Okay, which one's this?
Asian pear.
Asian pear? Awesome. So Ying has been sleeping all this time.